Hello, y'all. Today is my 16th birthday, and I was on the shore today again. And while I was at the shore, I bought this. This is not a First Alert SMICO100 AC, as you can tell. This is a First Alert SMICO100. Actually, I believe I'm the first one to have one of these, believe it or not. So, this is a battery-operated alarm. I believe there's a 10-year variant, too, called the SMICO110. But it's actually more closely related to the SMI 110. It doesn't look even close to this. So, I'm going to open this. First load of packages have always been really easy to open. Kiddos should take notes, honestly. Alright. There we go. Ooh. Alright. Everything is out. We have the manual. Please see manual. The mounting hardware. I believe somewhere in there. Yep, there's the warning labels. The warning labels. A silica pack. And the alarm itself. Very interesting bracket design. Looks a lot like the 7010 style plate a little bit. In fact, will this work? Will it work on a 9120B? Wait. No. Thing's a little too large. It's a little too large. How about the 9120B plate on the... Yep. It's a little too small. Oh. So unfortunately, there's no backwards compatibility. Oh. Now for the battery. And look at that. Looks like a newer style Duracell in there. 2029. This thing is new. Alright. Let's power it up. Alright. Test. I'm gonna cover it. So yeah, tests a lot like a an SMI 100 to me. But yeah, hope y'all like this quick video. I will see y'all soon. Take care.